Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. In today's video I will show you how to remove and replace the rear wiper arm on a 2007 Dodge Caravan. This video applies to Dodge Caravans made from 2001 all the way up to 2007. Okay, so to start, first you can pop off this black plastic cover. You can do it using a flat screwdriver. There is like a small opening on this side and on this side here as well. So you just want to pretty much pry it out and get it off. Okay, once you have the cover off, there will be a 13mm nut to remove. Now, it's a good idea just to use a bit of WD-40 on it, just for the easier removal. Okay, so once you have this nut off, there is nothing else holding this wiper arm actually, and if you are lucky you'll be able just to pretty much wiggle it off like I did. Now sometimes these wiper arms can get really stuck, especially if they weren't removed for a couple of years. In that case, like I said, try using WD-40, try using pliers, just be careful you don't break the window. If you still can't move it, there is actually a special tool that you can buy. It's like 10-20 bucks, which is used just to remove these rear wiper arms, but luckily you'll be able just to pretty much wiggle it off and pull it away. Okay, and this is how you can remove your rear wiper arm on a 2007 Dodge Caravan or Grand Caravan, same thing. Thank you for watching this short video. I hope it was helpful and educational. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel there is lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews and other similar automotive topics.